Alright, everything here is assembled. You have the lid. The screws go in all these. There's enough there for that. The switch here goes in last. After everything's painted and sanded, it goes right in there over the switch. The battery pack, if you put a little bit of Velcro on the back, you can just stick it in here. That way you can take it out as needed to unscrew these two screws and access the 2 button batteries. You can glue the lights into the back here with hot glue. That's what I normally use. Or if you want epoxy. As you can see, everything on this is working. I just go in there and I flip the switch. You have the 2 lights there. And everything fits almost seamlessly. And there you go. Comm Link. Comm Link kit.